Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Meggie, and today we're going to be doing our second cash stuffing of September. And when I say we, I mean me, because I didn't actually film my first cash stuffing of February. Oh my god, of September, excuse me. I didn't film it because I was so behind. I almost didn't stuff it for like a week and a half. Like that money was just like sitting in my safe unstuffed for like a week and a half. So I really needed to just get it over with, and I did not have the mental energy to take out the camera. So I didn't. But anyway, I'm here, I'm queer, and I'm ready to give you some more cash stuffing content. I apologize right now, guys. I gardened. If you know, you know. So this is gonna be a super fun little, video. So if you're ready for this, like, comment, subscribe, and let's freaking go. Alrighty, y'all. So we started with my TCH paycheck. That was 12, 15, 64, and I was nice to myself and I rounded up. I know, I'm just like so kind. My fiance Avery gave me 20, and I started doing a little work for care.com. This is actually a month's worth of work. I just didn't want to, I wanted to get like an idea of what I was getting, so I waited the whole month to put it in. So I got that little extra money for a total of $13.86, and that should be what we have here. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 650, 750, 850, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, and 3, 10, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 5, 60, 5, 75. We'll see if this works. 25, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Hooray! I thought I didn't have enough ones. I don't know why I was tripping so hard, but I was scared I didn't have enough ones. Actually, I know why I was tripping. Anyway. So this is all our money. Everything's here. We are going to start, as always, with our bills binder. Rent, this paycheck is getting $255. So we got $255, and we should have a total of $515 for the whole month. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, 5, 10, 5, 15. Yep. And then we have our car insurance, which is getting $39. Never mind, I thought this episode was going to be fun. Whatever. I thought this video was going to be a fun one, and it turns out I'm just going to be completely silent when I'm not saying numbers. I'm so sorry. All right, so we got 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, which is getting added to our other 39. So that should be 78. Woo! Total. We got our 10 and cool. All right. So we've got 20, 40, 50, 60. Really? Yeah. 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Hooray! All right. I'm having so much fun. I don't know about you guys. Anyway, Duke is getting 30. I found out that my bill is gonna be like actually really low for this month. Like this bill is technically due on the 15th. I just had stuff it on the 1st, so I have that money ready on the 15th. But anyway, yeah, our bill is gonna be like super good for this past month. So I didn't have to add that much to stay super ahead. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 155. Which is very good. Groceries gets its typical 100. So groceries has 1, 2, 220, 240, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 249. All right. Gas is getting 50. So gas has 50, 100, 50, 70, 75, 76, 77. Yeah, 177. Yeah, 177. Therapy is getting 50. Should have 150 in here, I believe. Yeah. T-Mobile is getting its, oops, 1 second. T-Mobile is getting its regular 58. 1, 2, 3. 55, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So we've got 51, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, 116. And then phone payment. Oh my God, do you see those folded bills? Absolutely not. Phone payment is gonna be 20. So we should have 40. Yep. I see you folded there too. I see you. As you can see, guys, we have a new envelope. I have not bought my new car yet, but I want to do what I kind of do with the, which bill am I thinking of? I guess Duke Energy. No, Ivy Tech. This is what I was doing. I want to save for it before it's a thing and before I'm actually paying for it, so I can have a little extra money when it starts. So yeah, I'm putting all of that care.com money in here because obviously my car payment's not going to be $150. That would be a dream, but it's not. So we still need to have like a little bit of money saved over so I can use a little this month, little that month, you know. I keep getting ahead of myself. Subscriptions is getting 30. I think it's because we're ahead. I really can't remember why I only did 30. I think it's because I had less money to work with from the paycheck, at least. I thought I was going to get paid more from TCH. So subscriptions has 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. Yep, 119. Oops, I hit the button. There we go. All right, taxes is getting its typical 10. So we are at 120. I might actually stop stuffing for this soon because that $10 could go elsewhere, and I highly doubt it's going to cost me this much to do a typical, like, you know, typical W-2 taxes. Anyway, health is getting 70 because I'm still in the pit a little bit. Oh goodness, how much in debt? I think I have $49 in here technically because I was paying off debt. Okay. Okay, just do 70 plus 49 is 119. So we have a lot of cash, but in reality, we have 119. All right. So that is our bills binder. And then we're gonna go to these two guys for our short-term sinking spending. Ooh, do you hear that crunch? Rawr. Eating out is getting 50, which, let me tell you, will not be enough. I did really bad this month. So we got 100. Deliveries getting 60, which, let me tell you, we also did really bad this month. So that's gonna be fun to pay back. So we're at 120. I don't know how I let it get away from me, but I did. I definitely did. Recreational is getting 30. That was rude. Why the fuck is the... Whatever. That was such a disproportionate reaction. Anyway. Recreational has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4. I think I did pretty okay in recreational, but I don't know. I'm so serious. I'm pretty sure I have $0 for recreational in my wallet, but I can't remember. We'll check when we stuff that. Irregular is also getting 30. So it's at 80. And then nope, not Ivy Tech. Pre-wedding travels, which is my personal, is getting its typical 35. Lodging, it's 20. So it's at 120, 40, 60, 70. 170 plus 40 is 210, and 210 plus 20, 40. Yeah, 210 plus 40 is 250. I really should invest in like a cute little calculator for real, because doing this math in my head is simple addition, but it feels so much worse than that. Tattoos is getting the $20 from Avery. So we're at 120, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72. 172. Which is honestly kind of good. Like, I'm kind of getting up there and I really like that. Ivy Tech is getting 100. So we're at 500. Oops. 500, 600, 700, 750. Not the dollar sign. I forgot the dollar sign. Online shopping is getting 30. I was gonna put more and then I got paid less, so I was like, I'm pretty sure I can hold off on getting an Amazon purchase, you know? All right. So online shopping has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 101. So that was, well, except for the $20 that's going in my wallet, that was 320. So that part was. Nails isn't getting stuffed. Emergency fund is getting 20. Oh my frick. I'm so quirky, guys. Oh my god. Our emergency fund is getting its typical 25. So it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 420, 440, 445, 450. And the buffer gets these 4 ones. So it's at 14. I wish I had more in there, but you know, do what you can. Now we move on to long-term sinking. Gifts is getting 15. So, Lucy has 25. I did not buy her gift yet because she's in the Army or the Navy, and she's still doing shit. So I don't even know when she's coming back. So I don't even know what to buy her. Elena, my other sister, she has $30 in here. I need to add $5 because her gift was like 35 and it ended up being a little more than I thought. So she now has 35, which is good, and that will get unstuffed. So that means I get to work on my cat, my son. Oh wait, I'll have to check my numbers, but I might have only wanted 10 for him. Just to buy him like a new little toy or like special food or something, because that man's a fatty. Honestly, he'd probably appreciate food more than a toy, let's be so serious. So I'll check my numbers, but that might be fully stuffed. And see, I'm not sure what to do because his birthday is in November, but his gotcha day is coming up in like less than a week. So I don't know if I should spend this money on his gotcha day or his birthday. I'll figure it out. Maybe I'll half and half it. That's only a little bit of money. I'll figure it out. So anyway, I did not count everything that's in there. I think it's just Lucy had 25, Elena had 35, so that's 60, and then Diet Coke had 10, so it should be 70. Wow, I can't believe my memory worked that well. Anyway, another 15. This one's going towards Christmas. I was doing the math, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure I'm super far behind. Not far behind, but I didn't start early enough, you know? My baby has 75. My aunt and uncle have 50, so that's 125. Lucy has 30, 155. Elena has 30. So that's 185. And I'll start saving for my grandpa so he gets 2. So 195. Oh, wait, that says grandma, whatever. Grandma's gonna want a book, obviously. My grandma's a huge reader. I hope this is the right number. I remember the other one so well, but I ain't remembering this shit. I'm tired. I'm ready for a nap or some food or both. Or both. The other holidays. Halloween is fully funded at 30. Thanksgiving, I believe, is where I'm at right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add this whole 15 in here because now I got 25. And the only thing I really contribute to our Thanksgiving is my homemade cranberry sauce. Like, you start with the cranberries and you end the sauce. It's not out of a can or some shit. So I really like making that. I'll have to do the exact math on how much it'll cost. Maybe like a tank of gas, because like we're traveling for it. Anyway, I'll redo the math because I did this math early in the year. Oh God. Halloween had 30. Thanksgiving, I think it's 25. And electronics. Oops, not 5. 10. Do I? Oh, I do. Yeah. 10. We are at 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110. I can't wait to condense this into a 100. Like, I've been working on my electronics fund for so long. It's finally at 110. I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, I did $55 today, which actually is quite a lot for my sinking fund. So I don't usually add that much. Next is the wedding binder. Venue is getting its typical 25. $300, $400, $450. Yeah, $450, $470, $490, $495, $500. Hooray! I'm probably gonna condense this whole thing and put it in my high yield savings, so then I'll have $500 from that in there. Oh wait, girl, I ain't writing that shit. Fuck, I forgot. Bride items is getting 20. For dress. Hello, Diet Coke. It has 280. Hooray. We're not stuffing groom items this paycheck because Avery didn't give me any money that he wanted to put in there. But we are stuffing honeymoon for lodging, which is getting 20. And so that'll have 260, 70, 270. Alrighty. Money miner, and we ain't counting that right now. I don't want to. I don't feel like it. So then we do our, oop, I didn't take my ID out. Almost just doxed myself. All right. I hope that wasn't on camera. Anyway, we are stuffing, eating out with $10. Oh, it does have a 10 in there. Hooray. Oops. So now we have 20 in eating out, which will definitely get moved to paying shit off. So that has $20. I believe recreational is not getting stuffed, and I believe it has 0. Oh wait. Oh, that's right. It has 6. Excuse me. $6. And then irregular is getting a 10. And it's already got a 10. Yeah, just one. So it's also got 20. And that's all, folks, as they say in Looney Tunes. That is our cash stuffing for this paycheck. If you enjoyed it, again, like, comment, subscribe. It really does help out the channel, and I love seeing this little community grow. It's like still so small, and it's just really nice. I like it. So if you want to help it grow, though, you can do those 3 things. I would really appreciate it. And I am going to go take a nap and then edit this video. I promise. I promise I'm going to get this up. I promise. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.